Today's video, we have a what I got for my birthday. I absolutely love watching these videos and I love filming them. I think I haven't filmed this in like a couple of years now, but I have been very well spoilt by my friends and family, so I thought I would share everything that I got for my birthday this year. It's the last of my 20s, the last year of my 20s, but I'm feeling very blessed, very grateful and very loved. Like, they really love me, you know? I'm just gonna do all my favourite gifts because otherwise some of the stuff is like boring practical stuff, which I mean I still love, but is that interesting to see? I don't know. We're gonna start with some shoes. My best friend got me these shoes. There are a pair of heeled sandals that I bought from Topshop before Topshop closed, and I absolutely love them, and they broke. And she basically has been on the hunt to try and replace them, and she got me a little replacement. I mean, I don't know if this is everyone's taste, but I don't care, I love them. So they're just this little like sandal heel, and then it's got this like kind of diamond-y bit at the front, and they're very similar to the ones that broke, and they're so comfortable. I love them so much. So thank you so much, bestie. I will be wearing these loads, not now because it's freezing outside, but summer, this is going to be my shoe. This is going to be my summer shoe. But I just thought that was so thoughtful because I really love those shoes. I might even still have them. I think I still have them because I just couldn't let them go even though they're broken. So for my birthday, my husband actually split my presents into the 5 senses. So we have like smell, touch, sight, sound and taste. And taste was a whole bunch of snacks and I've basically eaten them all. But 1st of Feb, New Year starts again, resolution. Because you know like my birthday's in January, so I get a free pass for the whole month and then we start again in Jan and eating healthy and all of that. Got this slip silk pillowcase which I've wanted for the longest time, so I'm very excited to have this. I feel like I always wear a headscarf, but you know, sometimes I just want to take my band out, my hair be free and it's just sliding along the pillow, you know? So I'm very excited to get this. But my sister actually got me a Lily silk pillowcase, so I will be using the two. So now I'll be able to rotate once this is in the wash. I can use this one, but I've heard really good things about this Lily Silk brand as well, so I'm going to try compare the two. But also this is a lot more price friendly if I was rebuying it anyway. I don't actually know like what colour. Just a nice cream colour, and then I think this is also cream, so I can't wait to be free. My sister got me this diffuser. She actually got it just before my birthday, but it's from M&S and it smells amazing. Wild rhubarb. I don't actually like the scent of rhubarb that much, but this smells amazing. I like a diffuser that actually smells and not just in the room or not just when you're super close to it. Like, I need to be smelling it. So I'm gonna put this downstairs by the front door. I got some cute bits from Skims. So I got this like little ribbed grey romper, which I just love Skims. Skims literally have the best like basic stuff. I can't wait to wear this. I'm a pyjama girl. When I'm at home, I'm going to be wearing my pyjamas. I'm going to be wearing my loungewear. I just need to be comfortable. So I love this. I also got a little Skims top, but I've already worn it and I love it. I love like the Skims little t-shirts. They're just so flattering, so soft. I love them. So I was very happy with this. And actually, I did actually get some pyjama bottoms. Sorry, how freaking cute are these? They've got like teddy bears all over them. Oh, I am a sucker for a cute little pyjama bottom. Literally so cute. Oh, I can add it to my massive pyjama collection. It's becoming a problem, but I'm not complaining because I love pyjamas. I got gifted some little perfumes. So I've got the Prada Paradox. I love this. So just a little mini top up. This smells so good. I feel like it's a good like holiday scent. It's quite sweet, I would say, but yeah, I love this. And then also Kayali Utopia Vanilla Cocoa. I've never smelled this, but I have like quite a few Kayali perfumes, so I'm excited to smell this one. In fact, let me quickly open it now. I've literally been saving everything so I can show, but now I can open everything properly. Oh, that smells. Oh, that smells so nice. So this is what it looks like. I love that. It's like I'm putting this in my work bag. It's like perfect, like every day. I got a top up of the Aveeno body oil spray. I literally love this. I bought the Aveeno and Melissa's Wardrobe collab. I literally love it so much, so can never have too many of these. Next is one of my big presents. This cute heart bag from Coach. So I actually have this bag in black and I love it so much. Love it so much. So now I have it in this beigey colour and I can't wait to wear it this summer. Coach leather is just unmatched. Like, it's just so soft. Very happy to have a lighter colour. Also, it actually fits so much. So the zip go all the way down and it actually fits quite a lot of things because I'm a small bag lady, but it actually fits quite a few things. So very happy to add this to my little collection. I love the black so much, so I was very happy to open this. I was, oh my god, yes. Brown is actually like my favourite colour at the moment and everybody knows it. So I was gifted this Jacquemus scarf, which I love. I love this scarf so much. It's so cute, and it just has the Jacquemus on the front and then it's plain on the back, and it's brown, so it's going to go over all my outfits that I keep wearing, and it's actually really warm. It's just got these tassels at the bottom. This is so cute. I love it. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. I've seen this scarf before and I actually thought it was a lot smaller than it actually is, so I'm very happy with the size as well. I feel like it will wrap around the neck very well. I got a Stanley cup. So my best friend actually got me a cream Stanley for Christmas, and my husband got me this black one for my birthday, which is really good because now I can have one for downstairs in the daytime, one for upstairs in the daytime, and they're different colours, and I'm a sucker for a cup. It actually helps me drink much more water because sometimes I can go hours and I'm like, have I drunk enough water today? So this will definitely help. I got some birthday skincare. So I love Ren skincare. So just like a top up of their gentle cleansing gel, the daily AHA tonic, which I've actually run out of, and then the brightening circle, the dark spot and the dark circle eye cream, which again I absolutely love. Their dark spot cream is incredible. My sister got me some makeup touch-ups. Got the One Size setting spray, which I had before and I actually love this. This is actually so good. I'm wearing it today and it actually keeps your makeup in place. It's not going anywhere. But yeah, this is amazing. And then she also topped me up on my favourite foundation, which is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And the shade I get is Manus. So good. So very happy with my little makeup top-ups. Thank you, sis. And now we have the big presents. So we have an AirPod Max. Thank you to my husband. I haven't even opened them yet. I'm so excited to use these. I've got them in black. It's like a bluey black. Look at that. Gorgeous. 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 Ooh. Sorry, I love this colour. I definitely won't be wearing them to the gym, maybe my hot girl walks, because I don't want to get it sweaty, I don't want to get it dirty, I just want to wear it for like, just leisurely trips, leisurely things, you know? Oh, I literally can't wait to use these. I love them so much. Last but certainly not least, we have an orange box. Oh. I have opened this, but I keep wrapping it back up every time I open it, to be honest with you. So, let me just pull it off. Nice and easy. We got some sandals. I have to wait till summer to wear them, but that's fine. So, I got some black shipbrays. Shipbrays? They smell really good. I have literally been wanting these for the longest time. I love them so much. To wear them this year, this summer. Going on our honeymoon this year, so I'm gonna wear them for my honeymoon. I'm just gonna wear them. In fact, I could go wearing them like now with like some fluffy socks. Maybe. But I don't know. Maybe I just launched them for the summer. So grateful, so happy. So happy. I'm feeling truly grateful, truly blessed. Love my friends and family. Got so many lovely presents and I just wanted to share. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.